Boom shakalaka, why now is a great time to accumulate Bitcoin and why the bull run probably won't be confirmed until about December to May. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at why now is a good time to buy Bitcoin and why we probably won't know when the bottom was until about December to May. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Now, today in Extreme Fear 7, the second day in a row in single digits. Ouch. And as a matter of fact, the drops are so severe that CoinMarketCap actually removed the total market amount down over the day. Yikes. But from the looks of things, it appears as though the overall market is down about 6 to 8%. Bitcoin at 2177, Ethereum at 1114, BNB at 210, Cardano 46 cents, XRP 30 cents, Solana $27, and Polkadot surpassing Dogecoin at $7.14. Now, today, we were talking about how this red line here was the line in the sand. Under that, we get bearish. And it does feel bearish. But we have a lot of stuff right here suggesting we may potentially have found a bottom. But there's really no way to know when the bottom is until afterwards, because it can always be a fake out. And trying to time the bottom is just a silly thing. Good investors don't do that. Bad investors try and time the bottom because you need to buy the absolute bottom and sell the absolute top. And really, nobody does that. You just kind of get the swing of things. Now, what do we have going on right here? Well, right here in yellow, we have the 200-day moving average. Historically good support for Bitcoin. When it does break through there, oftentimes it'll go down to the 280 weekly moving average like it did back here at the COVID bottom. And we also have this $20,000 area, previous all-time highs from 2018. All of that potentially support, plus this long-term support trend, this dashed white line. All of these things converging right around the area where we are now, potentially signifying a bottom. But what I told you in this video, also there's this downtrend right here that was resistance here, support here, and could potentially be support as well. But what I told you in the beginning is now is a good time to buy Bitcoin, but we likely won't know the bull run is confirmed. We likely won't know the bottom until about December to May of this coming year. And here's exactly why. One of the best indicators for taking a look at Bitcoin, if you just use this one indicator and trade based on this, you will do spectacularly on Bitcoin. This indicator is the 2-year MA multiplier. And there's a chart on Look Into Bitcoin, but their website isn't working very well today. So I found it on TradingView right here, 2-year MA multiplier. And when we take a look at this, basically anytime it's above there, it's time to sell. Anytime it's below, it's time to buy. And generally, when it first dips below, that's get ready for bull. And then when it breaks above, that's bull confirmed. And we saw that back here in 2014, 2015. And then there was this sell in 2017. And then we had get ready for bull and bull confirmed in 2018, 2019. And a little bit for the COVID bottom. But we never really broke above there. We just got to the upper band. But what we have done recently is we broke below there once again right here. And you can see we are now below. So we are at the get ready for bull area. But the bull has not been confirmed yet. Now here's how I took a look to figure out why we need to wait until December to May to have this bull run confirmed. I actually took the times that we were underneath the 200 weekly, or touching the 200 weekly moving average, because we just touched the 200 weekly moving average here, this yellow line. I took the times that we touched that until the peak, and I just plotted them over where we are right now. So I did it from here in January 2015. I did it from here in November 2018. And I also did it from here in March of 2020. Well, if we plot all of those out, those would give us potential suggested scenarios. Now, clearly, it's not going to follow this exactly percent, but this could give us an idea of where Bitcoin price might go. Well, if that happens, you could draw a line right here, and we could see between about December of 2022, and if we take that out to about May of 2023, that is when we would break back above that line to where the bull run would be confirmed. Now, if you want to wait until that point, Not a terrible idea. Sometimes you might lose like a 3x or something in that area from the bottom to the top, like what happened right here from 3,000 to about, or a 2x, $6,500, or in this one from roughly a 191 to 409. So you could lose a 2 to 3x in waiting for it, but generally once we break back above there, it does give you a better idea of when we're actually in the bull run confirmed area, because we have a lot of macroeconomic things going on right now. We have the Fed, who's changing their opinion of what the economy should do every single day. We have the stock market having the first bear market confirmed in a long time. We have potential recession and potential wars and all these different things that Bitcoin hasn't encountered before. So if you want to be safe, yeah, maybe wait. But if you want to get the bottom, yeah, maybe now. And here's more reasons. You see, if we take a look here, here's your smart money. This is from Credible Crypto. Since the Wave 3 peak at $65,000, they've been increasing Bitcoin holdings from approximately 11 million to over 13 million. This is a reaccumulation range, not distribution. Look at the comments below. They say they must be selling. They already sold. Nah, the data doesn't lie. So smart money is accumulating Bitcoin right now. They're buying more and more. They're not selling thinking they're going to sell now and then buy it again at $15,000 or $9,000 if that even happens. And furthermore, if we take a look right now at Bitcoin risk, it is literally the lowest it has ever been. Out of 100, we're right now at a 1 out of 100 risk right here. Similar to what Bitcoin was at the COVID crash. When there's fear in the market and sustained extreme fear, this often makes the best buy opportunities. And if you want to have an idea to what buying Bitcoin now could do for you, just go to dcabtc.com and you can take a look at this dollar cost average indicator, where let's say you just put in $100 every month since the time back here, okay? Since back here, November 2018-ish. For that 5 years, you put in $100 a month, well, guess what? That $100 a month would turn into $30,000. So that's absolutely crazy. So, just to give you an idea, now is the time not to be scared, maybe not to go balls to the wall and just go all in, but consider stocking up on Bitcoin over the next few months to next few years, because this could be the best time in your life to accumulate Bitcoin. This is when people make money in Bitcoin, not when it's at all-time highs and they're shilling their Lambos and everything like that. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Peace.